axis of the hinges. It's gonna go through these holes, and then one of the hinges is gonna be here, and then the hinge is gonna be here. Then what we have to do is make the holes in the direction of it so we can put it inside. So this is going up, like this, up, 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 and this one also inside, up, up, ouch, and this one, same, up, 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 this one, up, up, and this one, the last, I don't remember which direction it should go. This is going, okay, this is no, the other side. This goes down, that's when this goes down. This goes down, because that is where the hinge is gonna be. And this goes down. And then this goes down. Like down. The other side is making trouble. Fix it before, and then this on the other side there. So this one has to go like this. So now we have this hinge here, so we have like room for it, and this one there, and moving the holes like this will make them like aligned in this direction. So now, we start with this one. The beginning of it is bent, so it will be easier to like go through the holes. So it goes there, and then one hole. Yes, push, push and turn, push and turn, turn, push and turn, push and turn. Then, turn, turn. Okay, I help. There it goes. And I have to pull from inside a bit. Pull a bit. Turning, pull and turn, pull and turn. Oh. Maybe it's better the other direction, but it doesn't want to. It's still same. Don't remember how I did last time, but okay. So this pasta goes inside there.